Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the monTEK Soundbar mount. A versatile solution for mounting your soundbar under your TV, compatible with some of the most popular brands on the market. If you're looking to save space, enhance your audio-visual experience, and keep your setup clean and organized, this might be exactly what you need. The monTEK Soundbar mount is designed to support soundbars up to 22 pounds, making it compatible with a wide range of models including Sonos Arc Ultra, Beam, Ray, Playbar, Bose Soundbar 500 and 700, Samsung, Sony, LG, and JBL. Whether your soundbar is long or compact, this mount adapts to fit securely, thanks to its adjustable connection panel. You can easily modify the width from just under 6 inches to nearly 30 inches, ensuring a snug and stable fit for your device. One of the standout features of this mount is its two mounting options. You can either attach the soundbar from the back or from the bottom, giving you flexibility depending on the design and mounting holes of your speaker. This ensures that even if your soundbar has an unusual mounting configuration, this mount can accommodate it without any hassle. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The mount is designed with a no-drill system, so you don't need to damage your walls or furniture. It attaches directly to your existing TV mount using a VESA-compatible panel, which also adjusts in width to fit various TV models. This means your soundbar moves in unison with your TV, keeping everything aligned perfectly and reducing the risk of misalignment over time. In addition to functional design, the mount also helps keep your space organized. It comes with Velcro cable ties to manage wires neatly, preventing clutter and maintaining a clean, professional look. By elevating your soundbar under the TV, you can achieve optimal sound projection and a more immersive audio experience without sacrificing floor or shelf space. The package includes all necessary hardware, along with detailed instructions and installation videos, so you can set it up without frustration. Whether you're setting it up in a living room, a music room, or even a gaming space, this soundbar mount makes the process efficient and reliable. To summarize, this soundbar mount combines wide compatibility, adjustable installation options, and a no-drill design to provide a seamless, space-saving solution for your home audio setup. It supports a variety of soundbars, keeps your cables organized, and ensures your audio stays perfectly aligned with your TV for the best viewing and listening experience. If you're looking for a simple, practical, and sturdy way to mount your soundbar, this soundbar mount is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.